All right, so on slide 3, here is what we're going to do. You are going to need to get your periodic table that should be in your science folder. If you don't have one, you can get to your website that you created, or you can just go to my website. You can even go to our lesson plan page, and you're going to click on your periodic table. You need to find hydrogen. It's right here. Okay, so you got hydrogen. Now, we're going to fill out all the information for hydrogen in this table right here. So, your chemical symbol is going to be capital H. So, you're going to put your capital H in there. Your atomic number, remember, that's at the top. It is going to be 1. Now, your atomic mass is that number that's going to be underneath the element name, and we're just going to round. So I am going to just put number 1. It is totally fine if you put all the numbers. It's totally fine. All right, now the number of protons. Remember, if you go back to slide number 1, this is where all the information is. So if you know the atomic number, you know how many protons and you know how many electrons are going to be in your atom. So I look at the atomic number, so I know there are going to be 1 proton and there's going to be 1 electron. Now, I've already put the number of neutrons because we didn't get a chance to go over that, and I don't expect you to know how to do that since you've been gone for so long. Now, the last thing you're going to do is you are going to create your atom. So we're going to drag over 1 proton. Now, I've stacked a whole bunch of dots, so you should have enough to do every single one of these. So I'm going to grab 1 proton and I'm going to put it in the center. Now, on this hydrogen atom, there are 0 neutrons. So we will not be putting any neutrons in the center, in the nucleus. There is going to be 1 electron, and that is going to go in the electron cloud, and I'm just going to put it in that number 1 space. So I've put these numbers just so you remember that in the inner shell here, only 2 spots. In the outer shell here, we can have 8. So this way, it's going to be easy as you go through these because you're going to have more electrons, and you need to make sure you put them in the right spot. Now, remember, if you have any questions, I will be on Google Meet, so you can pop on there and ask me any questions that you need.